Hi everyone! Today I want to show you this foldable wagon cart, and honestly, it's one of those products that doesn't seem like a big deal at first, but once you start using it, you realize how much easier it makes everyday tasks. Whether you're carrying groceries, heading to the park, going to the beach, camping, attending sporting events, or simply moving heavy items around the house, having a wagon like this can save you a lot of trips back and forth. As you can see, when you take it out of the box, it comes completely folded, which is actually one of the first things I liked about it. Right away you can see how compact it is, making it easy to store in a closet, garage, or even in the trunk of your car without taking up much space. It also comes with an instruction manual, although honestly the setup process is very straightforward and easy to follow. The first step is simply opening it up. As you can see, you just pull it open slightly and push down in the center. Within seconds, it takes its full shape and feels sturdy and stable. Now let's install the wheels. It comes with 4 wheels that are very easy to attach. One thing to note is that the wheels with the metal pin are the front wheels and go into these front mounting points. The other wheels, which have the square-shaped connection, go on the rear corners. Once they're installed, you can immediately tell they roll very smoothly. Even moving the wagon with one hand feels easy, so the wheels seem to have really good rolling action and maneuverability. The pull handle also comes in 2 pieces. All you have to do is connect them together using these clips until everything snaps into place. Then, to attach the handle to the wagon, you'll need to apply a little pressure until it clicks in. This part can be a little tighter than the rest of the assembly, but that's completely normal. Once it's installed, it feels very secure and sturdy. So if it takes a little extra force to get it in place, don't worry. That's exactly how it's supposed to be. The handle itself feels comfortable in the hand, has a good grip, and seems to be made from durable materials. Overall, it gives a nice sense of quality. For reference, I'm about 5 feet 7 inches, and the handle height feels very comfortable for me. I don't have to bend over or walk in an awkward position while pulling the wagon, which makes it much more comfortable to use. One thing you'll notice is that even though it's compact when folded, it offers plenty of room for carrying items. I personally bought it mainly for grocery shopping because I usually have to carry several heavy bags from my car to the house. After using it, I can honestly say it's made that job much easier. It has plenty of space for groceries and handles the weight really well. According to the manufacturer, it supports up to 360 pounds, making it useful for groceries, camping gear, sports equipment, gardening supplies, and many other everyday tasks. One of my favorite features is definitely the wheels. They rotate 360 degrees, which makes steering very easy, even when the wagon is loaded. As you can see, it turns smoothly and feels effortless to pull around. The telescoping handle is also adjustable, allowing you to find a comfortable position while using it. Overall, I think this is a really practical item to have around. It's easy to set up, easy to store, offers plenty of carrying capacity, and makes moving heavy items much more convenient. If you're looking for an easier way to transport groceries, outdoor gear, or everyday items, this foldable wagon is definitely worth checking out.